This is how you do it.
You have this brand new thing, and it's called the sensory path.
The PTO got it for us, and we love it.
It's exercise plus it's fun at the same exact time.
Yeah, it's really fun, and I don't need to know the ABCs or counting, but it's good exercise and good education for the little kids. 1, 2, 3.
Some of our students that have some of those sensory needs, that communication may be a struggle for them or something that, we're really trying to work on. So being able to see him express himself in that way and being able to utilize this path to bring out his voice, it was just really, it's kind of touching to see that.
If your teacher lets you for indoor recess, you can come. If she lets you, you can come out here and do the sensory path.
If you're a kid who doesn't know how to do numbers and stuff, that's a good way to practice.
Our PTO was really the big investor with this. They're the ones that purchased it and picked it out.
You have to jump on the logs and the lily pads, or if it's water or something.
So we just wanted to say thank you to our PTO for purchasing this path for us. The students love it, and we have loved seeing the students use it this week back at Westwood.
Cheese! It's educational and fun.